How to cancel Monica A subscription full tutorial. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Monica AI subscription. So first of all, there's a option to cancel the subscription. Like you have to scroll down all the way from the official website and click on the contact us option, and after that you have to just uh, copy this website and paste it here, and uh, it will open the contact us option of Monica AI, and you have to uh, mail to them and tell them about your problem, and ask them politely to cancel the subscription. And there is another option, like you can just log into your Monica account and navigate to the subscription management section. This may be under your profile or account settings, and locate the option to cancel your subscription and follow the instructions. So that's the two options to cancel the Monica subscription. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.